Hi, I'm Brad with Mosby Building Arts. I want to talk to you today about repair and replacing your porch columns. Are your columns showing signs of wear? Mother Nature can take a toll on porch columns. There are some telltale signs that it's time for maintenance or repair of those front porch columns. So as you go out and look around, maybe you're looking for paint blistering on the columns. Underneath there are possible signs of rot. Maybe you feel on the columns and notice that some of them are loose and maybe not contacting the porch floor completely. Or maybe as you stand back from your house, you look at the porch roof and notice that it's sagging on one corner or another. Maybe you're looking for a lower maintenance option. Porch columns come in all kinds of different shapes, materials, and sizes, so determining whether to replace or repair will depend on your specific situation. So what are the repair options? First, a fresh coat of paint. That's the easiest solution to repairing and maintaining front porch columns, keeping them sealed from Mother Nature. Second, you may need to do a little bit more by taking away and cutting away that rotten wood that's potentially on that front porch column and replacing it with new wood or new maintenance-free materials such as PVC that you can then paint to match the existing. Third, there are wraps that you can put around the existing columns. Those materials are also made out of PVC. You can also possibly aluminum wrap those columns and get the same effect that you've had in the past. Fourth is supporting that roof structure and removing that existing column and installing possibly a new structural column or a new wood post, and then wrapping that wood post in the style that you would like with aluminum or PVC materials. A lot of times we find it much more effective to replace the column than use the energies and the expenses in repairing the columns. The end result is you get a new stylized maintenance-free column instead of choosing to repair something that you're putting a lot more labor cost into. Obviously specific to your situation. But this does allow for update of style, maybe going from a round column to a square. I hope you found this information helpful and use these tips and tricks to evaluate your porch columns.
Hi, I'm Mark McClanahan. I'm the president of Mosby Building Arts. Thanks for watching our video. If you enjoyed it, go ahead and click the like button below. If you have any questions, leave those in the comments section and we'll make sure to get an answer to you. For future videos, just go ahead and subscribe. And if you'd like to have a deeper conversation about your home, go ahead and click the link down there in the description area. We'll make sure to contact you. Thanks again for watching this video.